In this video cheat sheet, I will be configuring OSPF Priority. I will start off with the baseline show command, show IP OSPF interface, to display OSPF-related interface information. Then I'm going to enable a debug command of debug IP OSPF hello to see how things unfold as I configure the OSPF priority. Finish with the same baseline command, show IP OSPF interface, to see what changed. Let's look at the network topology. I will configure OSPF Priority on Router 1 and Router 2. In order to minimize the amount of information exchanged on a particular segment, OSPF elects one router to be designated router, or DR, and one router to be a backup designated router, or BDR, on each multi-access segment. DR and BDR election is done via the hello protocol. The router with the highest OSPF priority on a segment will become the DR for that segment. In case of a tie, the router with the highest router ID will win. I will enter my show command, show IP OSPF interface, fast Ethernet 00 on Router 1. At the same time, I'm going to enable debugging on Router 2 utilizing command debug IP OSPF hello. The default for the interface OSPF priority is 1. Remember that the DR and BDR concepts are per multi-access segment. Setting the OSPF priority on an interface is done using the IP OSPF priority value interface command. IP priority value of 0 indicates an interface which is not to be elected as DR or BDR. The state of the interface with priority 0 will be DR other or druther. From the show command output, I see that the priority on interface fast Ethernet 00 is 1. Router 2 is the DR and Router 1 is the BDR. I'm going to change the priority to 0 utilizing command IP OSPF priority 0 on interface mode. From the debug output on Router 2, I see normal hello packets received from Router 1 and sent through the multicast address of 224.0.0.5 and no change in the network topology. I am utilizing again the show command show IP OSPF interface fast Ethernet 00 on Router 1. From the output, I see that the priority is 0 and there is no BDR. Now I'm going to stop debugging on Router 2 and utilize show command show IP OSPF interface fast Ethernet 00 on Router 2 to check its priority. From the output, I see that the priority is 1. I will execute command IP OSPF priority 255 to change its priority. Again, show command show IP OSPF interface fast Ethernet 00 on Router 2. From the show command output, I see that the priority is 255. In this video cheat sheet, I configured OSPF priority. I started off with the baseline show command, show IP OSPF interface, to display OSPF-related interface information. Then I enabled the debug command of debug IP OSPF hello to see how things unfold as I configured the OSPF priority. Finish with the same baseline command, show IP OSPF interface, to see what changed.